You've just seen how to step over each of these lines, but it didn't really show us where the program misbehaved. The hard part goes on in this count syllables method, so we want to get inside it. For that, we need to use the second step button, the step into button. Let me restart the program and do just that. Here we are again at the first line of the program. We enter the input again, we step over the constructor, and now we're going to hit the step into button, and that opens up the word class, and we have to look around a bit to find the arrow. We're right now here. Now we can keep stepping, and that gets us through the lines of count syllables. So the point is you use step to stay within the same method and step into to go inside a method. Now all that stepping can get tedious, and sometimes it's better to set more breakpoints and run the program at full speed until one of them gets hit. Let's practice that. You see this line where it says count plus plus? Set a breakpoint by clicking here. And now go ahead, restart the program. You'll hit the first breakpoint in main. When you hit it, click the continue button so that your program continues at full speed. Supply the same input, and then your program will wake up at this breakpoint. Hit continue again, and keep doing that, and tell me how many times do you get to this breakpoint.